Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday, March 30th, 2022. So let's get right up into it. I could actually show you guys. I actually want to finish this real quick. So, here is my trade journal, somewhat what it looks like, what I do every day after my trades, whether I win, whether I lose. And yesterday, I was able to profit on some sells yesterday, but in actuality, the real trade was right here. And, I'll send this to you, Johnny, just so you can see it, see what I do, see if you do anything similar. But basically, what it was a clear sign that we're in an uptrend, right? And we took these sells after we seen somewhat of a break of structure right here. And Johnny, I know you took them up here, so you were able to catch it up here. I was actually able to catch him here on the retrace back up. And it was a clean trade, right? We were able to basically hop into profit pretty quickly. And, it worked out for us. But the real trade, remember, we were still overall in an uptrend. We've had a 2,200 pip, 17, almost 18% gain since the little recession that we've been in. So it's been quite a push back up. And, with that being said, we were still in a major uptrend. And this trade was great. We took it based on our confluences, especially being scalpers. But the real trade was here, and this is the 15-minute 50 EMA right here with the R2S, resistance, 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 a little bit of support, a little bit of... So we know this is a supply and demand area. And what did price do? This was my take profit right here, but it missed my take profit by like probably half a pip. It actually went into my take profit order, but it didn't activate because of the spread. But this should have been, I should have had a buy limit right here to take this to the upside, and we could have caught about 250 pips. But either way, this was the real trade here. This one here, or this one here. Take that up to the upside, but it is what it is. You live and you learn, and that's something that I'm going to have to just get better at. Like I said, we're still very new to this. Still not all the way seasoned like we would want to be, but we'll get there. And that's really the retest that I took. And held this trade basically till it pushed up here. I was hoping it'd continue down, but all these rejections really made me pull my trade. But we're still able to profit, and that's all that matters at the end of the day, is if you're making money. But yeah, so this was the original trade and trade journal for Tuesday. I just want to go ahead and screenshot this real quick just so we could see, because this is important, watching these candle formations, looking at the retrace and retest of this area. I think that's all important for everybody to do. So yeah, let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Snipping tool, new. All right. Might have to redo it, but we'll see. Three, 2, 9, 2, 2. Tuesday, NAS 1 minute chart. And I try to do a multiple charts. The 15, the 5, the 1, just as a scalper, you want to see all that. So that's what I do. You don't have to do it, but all right, let's get into today though. So zoom out of here. So on the 15-minute, we basically have this level being respected clearly, right? The level's clearly being respected, and let me show you why. Yeah, you know what? We don't need any of this shit. We'll be okay. So these are key levels, right? So we had a push up to here yesterday. This is where we should have taken this buy to, right? Because you could see it's been respecting the 20 EMA the whole way up, broke through, respected the 50 EMA with the R2S level, and continued to push up for 200 pips. So it did that, rejected it before close. Then it created a little bit of consolidation right here during Asian, and then shot back up again, right, rejecting this area again and pushing down. And then you could see each is a lower high, right, lower than this high, lower than this high, broke below this level that we took our sell off of yesterday. And now you could see the 15 or the 20 EMA is now crossed over the 50 EMA here on the 15-minute. And you can see there's multiple rejections here, right? Boom, reject, boom, reject, boom, reject. But I think for the most part, we're still in an uptrend, right? What the hell happened to my shit? Who's fucking up my shit? Sorry guys, I don't know what happened here. Ah, damn it. What the fuck? Can't even delete this shit. Negative 0.27. Wait, I'm still missing some. Man, I don't know what happened here, but I don't like it. Well, yeah, this is not how I have my shit planned, but I guess that's how it's planned today. Alright. Okay. So we have it here, right? We have this setup here. It looks like this is a perfect buy IOC, right? So that's something I'll be looking for right here. Well, I guess let's do it from the top of the shit down to here, right in the golden zone. Now it looks good to come down here, truthfully, but I also want to be clear that we're close to a downtrend as well, right? Because we had a higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So it broke this consolidation right here. So that's something we got to look out for. Both of these, I'll be looking for both. Alright, so we got that. And then if we do the fib from here to here, we have a clear ILC. Actually, I'm still missing some shit. Okay. So we have it here as well, a golden zone ILC, but I would say maybe this ILC right here, let's just go ahead and draw it out. It's already been respected multiple times. This is going to be a bottom ILC. Alright, so we'll put that at 50%, which I like to do green. And then we have this one up here. Remember, this is the 15-minute chart, so these are pretty steady ILCs. We'll see if they have multiple confirmations on the downside, on the smaller time frames. This is golden zone, so we got something like this. So, sorry for my chart, that's just how it looks, but we know this is golden zone now. Let me actually put this in here too. 708. Right, we know this is golden zone right here. We could delete this now. Right, and we'll see. Is it going to just continue to push down to this area? Maybe we could put a buy in right here. Or is it going to push back up and maybe it'll give us a sell? I actually do like a sell right here at this point, just because we got the 50 EMA right there too. And our stop would be bigger. What about, about 42 pips, which, like I said, usually I wouldn't like 40. I don't like 40 pip, 50 pip stop losses, but At this point in time, it's kind of like, I see these big time ballers, big time traders. They got 120 pip stop losses. So I think that's maybe something that I have in my arsenal that's a little bit clear, is that I could kind of eliminate that somewhat, or not eliminate it, but bring that stop loss down from 120 pips to 40 pips, so 45 pips. So we'll see what it gives us right here. I do like the sell down though, truthfully, and maybe we can have it come back down to this R2S level. We'll see though. And this was a 4-hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute ILC right here. I just deleted it right now, I guess. So, man, let's see, man. Let's see what it gives us. If you see anything, Johnny, just let me know, man. If you see anything different, if you see something a little bit more clear, I'm all for it. So let's go down to the 5-minute chart. Actually, let me get my shit set up. We're already about 2 minutes from open. Let me go get my phone. Give me a second. Alright, so I got the 15, the 5, and the 1 set up. So I'm gonna do the 1 minute here. Alright, so let's see here. It looks like we're getting that push to the upside right before open, right? Last 2 minutes, it's kind of push it up, but let's see if it'll break through this or respect it. And I am going to put looks like it's still rejecting this 50 EMA right here, right? Let's see. Still rejecting it, right? I like that rejection. But haven't put anything in quite yet. Okay, I like that. I just put in a couple small ones, 0.02s. Nothing crazy yet. I think it might continue to push up a little bit more, but let's see. Still in the first minute, so could still push up. Remember, we have a 45 pip stop loss. Alright, that'll be my last. Oh, shit. Well, that's pretty clean. Now we just got to see if it'll do what we want it to do. That's a pretty nice rejection right there. It's kind of making its way back out of the ILC. But it's still early in the candles, so let's see if it can actually, continue down to the downside. Yeah, there's still about 20 seconds left, so it really could just continue back up, and that'll be the end of that. But let's see if it keeps its weight down. I mean, we're in profit. Yeah, I'm not sure I like that rejection so much, just because it still looks like it's getting pulled, right, on the 1 minute. Yeah, look at that push. Oh, rejected again. I mean, that's pretty nice, but we still got 30 seconds left, unfortunately. Oh, let me actually move this over. So this was our original trade idea. Let's see if it can continue down. My top position is at 86.15, and my bottom position is at 82. So, yeah, I'm not sure I like it. There's still a lot of time left. Let's see if it can kind of come down. We definitely see, sorry, I'm looking at the 1 minute on the other side. Like, you see that there's rejections on both sides, but it looks like it's kind of going up. So, I'm not too sure I like it all the way. But, if I take the loss, I take the loss. I'll take it. Yeah, shit. It looks like it might be going up. And that's something I got to learn, is to pull these trades when I see, I guess we'll see if it continues to push up, but it looks like it is we see, when we say um exhaustion, right? Oh, there's exhaustion on the candle, right? For a sell, right? Like, price is dying out. Well, I don't know what the opposite of exhaustion is, but you know what I mean? You could see that price is kind of continuing its way up, right? Each candle wick, even though it's wicking, each wick is a little bit higher, respecting the 20 EMA. So all those little things right there kind of count, right? So, we'll see. See, it's kind of pushing down, but it's still early in the candle. And if you go to the 5 minute here, it does have a decent push. I'd like to just see it finish wicked out. But look at where it's going. I'd like to see it finish wicked out, then we'd probably see it come back in on the next candle and retest out. So, well, something like this. So we see it come down, wick out, and then we could also see it push up to the upside right here, and then wick out again. Ah, you did. I noticed, baby. Go ahead and lay down with mama. She's asleep in the room. So we got 8 seconds left. I mean, it's a decent wick, right? Oh. And see, that's, damn. Yeah, look at that. And you could see it's pushing back up. I mean, damn, I guess it kind of tapped this area, but I don't know. I'm still holding my positions, but I might just, oh shit. And then look at, and wicks out again. So now this is what happened, is it used this 15-minute 50 EMA as a support level, right? And that's what it's basically doing here now. Damn. Yeah, that thing's pushing up, I think. Well, I just added a position right now because I like what I see. Let's see if it can keep it though. Just a 0.02 at the top. I added that at a 97. Oh shit. I think I'm gonna close my bottom position. Get out of that. Secure profits. Damn. Still using this 20 EMA, right? But let's see. Let me actually move this over to where we're at a little bit. We're not up too big. Well, let's see if it can continue down. Oh, there we go. Is that right? How many pips am I up? I am not up 8 pips. So I'm a little bit lower. On my bottom position, I'm a little bit lower. So let's see. Now we can't use this as a resistance so much. Now we got to see a break through all of these, right? It's only a matter of time to see if it will or... Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm going to secure some dollars right now in my bottom positions. Actually, I mean, I'm only up 18 pips, really. 20 pips. Total, I'm up about 190 on the day. Well, floating, 160, 170. I just want to see if it continued down. Looks like it could. Oh, shit. I like that. I like that. I like that. I'm going to pull some profit right here. Oh, kind of pushed up a little bit. I mean, I like it to continue down. Let's see what it does. That's a huge rejection, though, which I don't like. And the reason I wanted to pull here is you could see these rejections at this level, but I think it should continue down. Let's see if it does. Hopefully it holds its weight, because here on the 1 minute, it broke through the 50 EMA, but I don't want it to reject back up and then start to, you know, push up. So let's see. I'm going to move my stops to break even. I recommend everybody else do the same. You don't want to lose, look at that. You don't want to lose money here, right? I'm going to move my stops to 184 on everything. My lowest position's at 184 now. See if it could stay down. 20 seconds, right? We're up about 260. Alright, let's see. 230. Nah, no way. No fucking way. Wow. That shit better not push back. Oh man. Now it has to use this 1 minute 50 as a resistance, right? That's the plan, that's the goal. But you know, price can do whatever, especially when it's on this heavy of an uptrend. I'm just trusting that it's gonna push down below that. You know what I mean? We'll see. We got our stops in there, and you know, if it just happens to push back up on us like that, then so be it. Damn, man, I should have secured those profits. But we're only up about 30 pips, so I really didn't want to. Damn, it looks like it's going to continue back up. And you could see here, another thing I'm worried about is it didn't break this low right here, right? It definitely didn't break this one. But it definitely didn't break this either. So that's an issue for me. This shit's gonna fly back up, dog. No way. Wow. This shit might. Wow. I'm still not stopped out, but I think there's a good chance it's gonna get there. I mean, I like this rejection, right? But there's still 8 seconds left, so this thing could just fly up the last 5 seconds. Oh. Man, that's a nice rejection. I want to take my first profits here, right? This is where I want to take my first profits, is right here. And we'll see, and possibly we have a buy here, but let's see. I mean, it could still push up, right? We obviously know there's a lot of pull to the upside. We still have buyers in the market. So, shit, let's see. I like the way the 5 minutes looking, but like I said, look at this. 5 minute looks decent, right? Because it's rejecting the 5 minute 50 EMA, but it's still got to come down here. We're only up about 16 pips, right? We got the last 2 minutes of this candle. But you see that? It's using this as a support now. Fuck me. I'm gonna try and trust it, you know. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't come up and stop us out. I'd hate for that to happen. But it looks like it is. Fuck. Well, I just put another sell in after I got stopped out. Fuck, got in lower. 182. I don't even know if I should be doing it. I might lose some money right here just because I think I should hop out of this trade. The reason I'm saying that is because this wasn't broken right here. This level, right? Damn. Let's see. Yeah, this shit looks like it's gonna come up. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have re-entered just because the strength is to the upside, right? It's really what we're seeing here. Strength to the upside. But I want to trust my... I mean... Let me see. All I got is a 0.02 at that bottom position. I just got stopped out of my 197 position now. Fuck. I just re-entered again. Oh. I mean, there's still a lot of time left, but I just re-entered again. So I have 2 positions now. 0.05 and a 0.02. Can't believe I was up about 280, 290 at one point on this position, but fuck it. I'm not gonna dwell on that shit. We're in here now, so we'll see. All right, we're in business, so let's see. Let's see if it can break through, because this is a key IOC, right? It's been respected already, been used as a support level already. Let's see what it does here. I haven't moved my stops to break even yet, but we're only up, you know, what, 20 pips on the top position and 8 pips on the bottom position, so just want to see if it could continue down though. Wow. Yeah, I don't like that. I think we got the wrong bias here. And wow. Yeah, this has to be it. Down about $75 on the top position, and I'm down about $48 on the bottom position. It's only 0.02. I haven't closed anything yet, so everything that's been closed is basically in profit, $11.58. So I don't care though. I'm gonna trust it. If it gets up here, I'm gonna add another position. I like to buy maybe just right here, or right here at the bottom of the wick. So 206 up there. I think that's gonna be like what? Oh, it's pretty clean right there at 224, 223-ish. So I think that's where I'll go. $223. We'll call it 221. And I still have my other positions up top, so I just put a sell in right now too. Kind of like the way that looks, but we'll see. Small one, 0.02. Looks like we're seeing some exhaustion right here, but we know how that goes with this uptrend, so we'll see. Let's go. Come on, man. It's definitely a lot of volatility. All right. I mean, I think we're in business. Let's see though, because it could just be using this as a support level again, right? I mean, if it flies up here, then at this point, we know it's an uptrend. I don't think it should. I think it's kind of. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what it does here. You can never speak for the markets. The markets speak for themselves. It does what they want. Stop hunts, all that bullshit. Come out, take you out. So we'll see right now. I think I'm going to close out this bottom position just to get it off. It's basically in profit. Oh, shit. This thing is volatile. Yeah, I closed that bottom position. I just have my two top positions. And, oh, shit. Let's go to the 1 minute. I want to see where this 1 minute 50 EMA is at. Oh, right there. I think it might be time to close some partial profits. I just closed the 0.03 just to secure some dollars. And I think I'm going to move my stops to break even. Particularly the top position, I'm going to move to break even. It's at 203.15. I'm up about 20 pips. So I'm going to put it in at 201 just to secure profits with some slippage. Man, it's rejecting that shit again. See if we can push through though. Ah. See if it could hold it, man. Still a lot of time left, so it could still reject and push up. Let's see. Basically, my top position that I have in now, let me actually do this, sorry. Damn, it's still rejecting that motherfucker. My bottom position is in about right here. But I think I'm going to have to pull this motherfucker. We'll see right here. I can see the exhaustion. I see it rejecting the area. But I also see it respecting the 50-minute EMA. I'm sorry, the 1 minute 50 EMA as well. That's what I don't like. Yeah, this shit's coming up again. Wow. I just closed my 0.02 bottom position, $17. That put me at 97 for the day. I'm in at 203. That one I'm going to leave. We'll see what happens there. I think we got a pretty good entry on that one, so let's see if we can keep that. I was up $140, I believe, at one point. So right now I'm up about 50. You know what? Now that I think about it, I love my entries. Oh, that's nice. Can't keep it. See, and it doesn't keep the strength down. But as I'm looking at it now, I feel like we're just fighting it. I'm just fighting it. Um, Truthfully, what I see here, I'm trying to stick to my key levels, right? Like I'm really trying to stick to my key levels and say this thing is coming down. But the thing that's kind of fucking me up is that we've already had somewhat, even though it didn't tap, maybe my level's off a little bit, had a rejection at the golden zone buy area, right? Then it pushed up, broke above this high, lower high, broke above this lower high, and this one broke above this lower high. I mean higher high. Lower low or higher low, and look at what it's doing now. And the whole point of me saying that is I think we're just fighting it at this point. We're in here, but I think it wants to push up, you know. Entry's clean, everything's clean, and I think I'm just fighting the funk at this point. Wow. I just got stopped out. Man, I'd be up about $500 if I closed all my positions today. Fuck. I'm looking to see if I can jump back in, but I don't think I want to at this point. Looks like the strength is to the upside, and I think I might just call it, right? I think there's really a point. I like that. 9 seconds left. Oh, shit. Don't tell me it did that. I jumped in there again. Let's see. Got a better position, too. Getting stopped out at break even multiple times. Actually, let me see something real quick. Just entered again. And this is my last one, my last hee haw on the live stream. I know it's already 7 o'clock. We'll see if it does what I want it to do now. I got in pretty cleanly too. I'm right here at the top. 207 and 92. See if this shit could finally fall off. Pips am I up? Up about 24. Yeah, that's about right. Wow. Still keeping that trend. You can see it, right? See if it can hold it down though. Truthfully, I might take this bottom position. I have 2.04s in there, 207 and 92. I'm going to move my stops at my top position to break even already just because, I don't know. I'm in at 207, so I'm putting it in at 205. Wow, that shit's still fucking magic. Oh, fuck, that's funny. I really feel like we're like in a upwards consolidation, but I'm trying to trust my shit, right? My shit says it's coming down, but it's hard for me to do that when I see this, right? But let's just see. Wow. I'd like to see it just fall, but man, doesn't look like it. I move my stops to 206.50, so just below my top position. Let's see if it can finally keep this motherfucker now. That's 5 seconds. Wow. Still rejecting that motherfucker. My bottom position, I think I'm about to close just because it's so volatile. So I just closed that one. $67. That was only about 17 pips. So, and you can kind of see why I did that. Other one, we're at break even. If it comes back up and stops me out, then it is what it is. I'm up about 120 with that position that I have left. So let's see. I'm up about 171 for the day. So I'm up about 145, 150, 160. Let's see if it really gives it to us right here. Let's go. It's fucking us up. Only thing keeping us in this shit is good money management, I guess. I like that. You see what it's respecting, right? The ILC. Still 30 seconds left. I just closed a 0.01. That's going to put me at 220 for the day. I have a 0.03 running. And that is what I'm going to take down to the downside. I'll be happy with 200 after all this bullshit today. So, you know, Monday made about 90 bucks. Yesterday made a little over 600. So that puts us at 700. And then today, you know, with this $200 one, or $200 trade, we got about $118 running, floating. But we won't count what's floating because it could come all the way back up on us. But you know, 200, 700, we're up about 900 on the week, which is cool, right? You know, we're still profitable. It's not my goal. My goal for the week is about 1,500 a week, 300 a day. So, you know, we're on track. We're on track to hit my goal for the week. So, let's see if we can. Were you able to jump in on this, Johnny? Whoever's watching, were you guys able to go ahead and jump in on this? Let me know. Wow. That shit's really flying all the way the back. Wow. Let's see if it rejects this. This is key right here, right? This is a key ILC. I mean EMA. That's fucking hilarious. Fucking wow. I thought we were finally gonna see that break, but damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I gotta stop fighting it. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and close these positions, dog. Oh. Yeah, it's using that level of support now. Wow. Come back and I see this shit. Ugh. That's what happens. Hmm. The peak, I got about 45 pips right here. Closed the 0.01. I shouldn't just close the whole shit though. And I just entered another sell. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm just trying to trust my bias. I'm in at a 221.18. It's a sell limit that I had. Not sure if it's a good one, but let's see. Ooh, the Hawks outside right now. A little bit of exhaustion right there, right? Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to do too much though. We'll see though. Oh shit, let's go. $221.18 is where I got in at. Moving my stops to break even. This is a key level. I'm gonna secure another $20. You know what? I'm gonna leave this bitch in here. I got about $78 floating. Damn, but you see what it's doing, right? Respecting that motherfucker again. Yeah, this is our only hope, is it using this as a resistance level. Kind of what it did here, and do the same here, and then come back down to the next level. But we'll see.